Hey everyone, let's talk self-care today, and I've got the easiest, most natural way to pamper your skin right at home. We're making a simple yet super effective brown sugar and coconut oil body scrub. Trust me, this DIY scrub will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated, just like a spa treatment, but without the hefty price tag. Ready? Let's jump in. So why make your own body scrub? Well, for starters, you know exactly what's going into it. No harsh chemicals or preservatives. Plus, it's super affordable, and you can customize it to suit your preferences. It's also so quick and easy to make that you'll wonder why you haven't been doing this all along. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of brown sugar. This is the star exfoliant. It's gentle, works great to buff away dead skin cells, and leaves your skin glowing. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. This is your moisturizer. Coconut oil is amazing for nourishing your skin and locking in hydration. 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey isn't just sweet, it's also a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin. Plus, it has antibacterial properties to help keep your skin clear. Optional, 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. This is totally up to you. Add lavender for relaxation, peppermint for a refreshing tingle, or vanilla for a cozy, comforting scent. The possibilities are endless. Alright, let's get started. First, if your coconut oil is solid, you'll want to melt it, but don't overheat it. Just warm it enough to liquefy. Let it cool slightly so it doesn't melt the sugar when you mix them together. Now, grab a bowl and combine your 1 cup of brown sugar with the 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Stir it up until everything's well mixed. It'll look and feel like wet sand, the good kind you find on tropical beaches. Next, add in the 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix that in thoroughly. The honey not only makes the scrub extra nourishing, but also adds a nice texture to the mix. If you're using essential oils, this is the time to add them. Just 5 to 10 drops will do. Give it one final stir, and voila! You've got yourself an all-natural body scrub. How to use your scrub. Take it with you into the shower, scoop out a little bit. You don't need much. On damp skin, gently massage it in circular motions. Focus on rough patches like your elbows, knees, and heels. This scrub is gentle enough for most skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, test it on a small area first. Once you've exfoliated, rinse it off thoroughly with warm water. You'll instantly feel how soft and hydrated your skin is. And here's a tip. After patting your skin dry, skip any heavy lotions. The coconut oil from the scrub leaves a nice light layer of moisture behind. Perfect, right? Storage tips. Store your scrub in an airtight container, like a glass jar with a lid. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and it should stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. If you're feeling fancy, you can even decorate the jar and give it as a gift. Who wouldn't love a little homemade luxury? So there you have it, a natural, easy-to-make body scrub that'll keep your skin glowing and feeling amazing. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. What essential oils did you choose? Did you add any fun twists to the recipe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love a good, simple DIY project. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Take care of yourself and your skin. Bye.